Are you tired of unsafe driving and costly accidents in your construction fleet? Managing a construction fleet is challenging. Ensuring your drivers and equipment are safe, on schedule, and within budget can feel overwhelming. That's why SureCam's network-connected dash cams and GPS tracking provide the perfect solution. First, improve operator safety by monitoring risky driving behaviors to prevent accidents. Second, increase efficiency with real-time visibility, allowing you to adjust project schedules instantly. Third, streamline claims management with automated alerts and video evidence to resolve incidents quickly. What sets SureCam apart? Our unique combination of live video monitoring and GPS tracking offers a complete view of your fleet's operations. Don't wait! Book a demo today and see how SureCam can enhance your construction fleet's safety and efficiency.